Oh, that's cool.
Outstanding.
This is the Samsung Portable SSD T7 Shield.
Perfect accessory for any desk setup.
T7 Shield is proper weenie. It's about the same size as a credit card.
They can go up to speeds of 1050 megabytes per second read and 1000 megabytes per second write, which is fantastic.
The key here is consistency, as these drives can sustain that top speed throughout a lengthy data transfer process.
So it's fast, but the T7 Shield is all about that extra durability.
More rugged version of the SSD.
The T7 Shield is IPX5 certified. It can withstand water being sprayed at it for up to 3 minutes. Not only did I chuck this thing off my desk, but I dropped it from 9.8 feet high and it survived without any problems.
Another great thing about the T7 is it is so easy to set up.
This is fully compatible with both Mac and Windows, plus most Android phones and tablets.
But if you want to take it one step further, they have this really cool software called Samsung Magician software that will tell you everything you need to know about these SSDs.